Doing well. I am Pramod Joshi. Today we will start chapter 3 playing with numbers exercise 3.5 part 2. इससे वाली एक्सरसाइज में बच्चों हमने क्वेश्चन 6 तक किए होंगे, आपको समझ में आया होगा, और आपको नहीं आया तो आप उसको फिर से देख लीजिए एक बार वीडियो को। आप देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ 3 consecutive numbers is always divisible by 6. Verify this statement with the help of some examples. आपको the product of among 3 consecutive numbers one must be even number and one will be the multiple of 3. So the number is, so the number always divisible by number is always divisible by 6. See here some example. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4. 3 2 3 is 6, 6 4 is 24. 2 6 6 divisible है, मल्टीपल ऑफ 6. तो अब आप नेक्स्ट देख लीजिए. 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 6. 4 5 जा 20, 120. It is divisible, both the number are divisible by 6. Now dear friend, the sum of 2 consecutive odd numbers is divisible by 4. Verify this statement with the help of some examples. तो आप ये consecutive odd number क्या होते हैं? जैसे एक 1 है, फिर odd number क्या होगा? 2 ऐड करके आएगा 1, फिर उसके बाद आपका 3, फिर क्या होगा 5, 7, 9, 11. ये आपके consecutive odd number है. तो आप एग्जाम्पल ले लेते हैं हम यहाँ पर. यहाँ पर देखिए आपका 3 plus 5 that is 8, and 8 is divisible by 4. आप देख रहे हैं ये 3 और 5 2 consecutive odd number है. अब हम नेक्स्ट ले लेते हैं 5 plus 7, 5 और 7 that is 12, and 12 is divisible by 4. आप देख रहे हैं 12 भी डिविजिबल है 4 से. अब यहाँ पर एक एग्जांपल और ले लेते हैं. 7 plus 9 ये हो जाएगा 16, and 16 is divisible by 1 more example. एक और एग्जांपल ले लीजिए. 9 plus 11 that is क्या हो जाएगा 11 plus 9 that is 20, and 20 is divisible by 4. 20 is divisible by 4. Dear student, in which of the following expression prime factorization has been done? यहाँ पर देखिए in which of the prime factorization has been, in which of the following expression prime factorization has been done। यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन है। अब यहाँ पर देखिए 24 इसके फैक्टर किया है 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4। 4 is not prime number, 4 is a composite number because it has more than 2 factors, so it is not no here। and 56 7 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, that it all the numbers are prime number, so in this and 70 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7, all these are prime number, so it is prime factorization। and in 54 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 9 is a composite number, all the numbers are prime number but 9 is composite number because it has more than 2 factor। 9 has, if you will do factor of 9, 1 3 and 9, 1 3 and 9, so more than 2 factor, so it is composite number, so all prime factorization of 56 and 70। now question number 10, determine this number 25,110 is divisible by 45। here prime factorization of 45, prime factorization of 45 factorization of 45, 9 into 5, that is 45। the number is divisible by 5, 2510110 is divisible by 5 as 0 is its unit place, and 25,110 is divisible by 9 because sum of the digit 2 plus sum of the digit, sum of the digits that is 2 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0, that is 2 plus 5 7 8 9 is divisible by 9। sum of the digits is divisible by 9। This is divisible by 9 since the sum of the digit, is divisible by 9। so 25,110 is divisible by 9 5 multiplied by 9, that is 45, divisible by 45। now question 11, 18 is divisible by both 2 and 3, it is also divisible by 2 and 3, 2 multiplied by 3, that is 6। similarly a number is divisible by both 4 and 6, can we say the number must also divisible by 4 multiplied by 6, that is 24? If not, give an example to justify your answer। no 12 is the number, no, 12 is divisible by both 4 and 6, but 12 is 4 and 6, but 12 is not divisible by 24. 12 is not divisible by 24 because here is, you are saying both are composite number here, so it happens. Now question number 12. I am the smallest number having 4 different prime factors. The smallest number. Can you find me? You will multiply by the smallest prime factor. Smallest prime factor are, this is the smallest, after that 3, after that 5, after that 7. If you will multiply 2 5s are 10 or 3 7s are 21. 21 multiplied by 10, 210. 210 is the smallest number because these numbers are the smallest prime number. So बच्चों आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. अगर आपको समझ में आ गया तो आप प्लीज लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और सब्सक्राइब करिए. थैंक यू.